What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new JBL Flip 7. If you're looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker with powerful sound, rugged durability, and long battery life, this might be one of the best options in 2026. Let's find out. Starting with the design, JBL keeps the iconic Flip series look. The JBL Flip 7 is compact, easy to carry, and feels extremely solid in hand. It comes with an IP68 rating, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof, and even drop resistant, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, beach trips, or everyday use. Now, let's talk about the biggest reason to buy this speaker, the sound. The JBL Flip 7 features a JBL Pro sound with the new AI Sound Boost technology. This system analyzes music in real time and optimizes the audio output to deliver louder, cleaner sound with less distortion. The bass is surprisingly powerful for a speaker this size. You get deep punchy bass, clear vocals, and crisp highs. Even at higher volumes, the Flip 7 maintains impressive clarity, making it one of the best sounding compact Bluetooth speakers available today. Battery life is another strong point. JBL rates the Flip 7 for up to 14 hours of playback, and with Playtime Boost enabled, you can stretch that to around 16 hours depending on your listening volume. One of the most exciting new features on the JBL Flip 7 is the lossless audio playback through its USB-C connection. Unlike standard Bluetooth streaming, lossless audio delivers more detail, better clarity, and richer listening experience by preserving the original quality of your music. Connectivity has also been upgraded with Bluetooth 5.4 for a stable wireless connection. Plus, Auracast lets you pair multiple compatible JBL speakers together for an even bigger sound experience. Alright, enough talking, let's hear what the JBL Flip 7 can do. Make sure to use headphones for the best experience.
Because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
So, is the JBL Flip 7 worth buying? But if you really want a portable speaker with powerful bass, impressive clarity, rugged durability, long battery life, and now even lossless audio support, the JBL Flip 7 is an easy recommendation. The AI Sound Boost technology helps it deliver bigger, cleaner sound than you would expect from a speaker this size, while the new lossless audio playback option gives music lovers an even higher quality listening experience. Overall, JBL has made meaningful improvements without losing what made the Flip series popular in the first place. The Flip 7 is easily one of the best compact Bluetooth speakers you can buy right now. Let me know what you think about the sound test in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next review. Peace!